Hey guys, I wanted to show you something that will be up for sale. These are my fall junk journal packs. They have tons and tons of stuff in them. I don't have a picture to show because they're kind of mystery surprise packs. But there's vintage, super cute vintage Apple recipe cards, an Apple vintage kind of greeting card, but not shiny. Tickets, ephemera. Everyone has a charm, a fall theme charm, neat buttons, a unique brad, some miscellaneous brads. Gosh, here's a sneak peek of one of the recipe cards, but that's not the Apple one. Oh, there's some sample trims in here to do tags. There's some dyed paper. There's lots and lots of stuff in here. There's some stickers. I know stickers aren't, everyone's thing, so I didn't go crazy with those. Obviously, tickets. Oh, there's playing cards with a fall theme. One has an owl on it, and every pack has those. What else is in here, guys? There's like the faux leaves that you could glue down. I think there's 3 in each pack. It's layers. There's a little bit of painty paper, decorative scrapbook sample papers. There's a little kind of bits and bobs. You can see there's a leaf brad, charms kind of sticking out. There's, a neat safety pin that's green. There's just like different bits and bobs in all of them. They're kind of cool. So these sell for $30 shipped. And if you are interested, you send me an email at trashytreasures@gmail.com. There's 8 available and that's it. I'm not making more for this season. That's all I'm doing. Then I'm moving on to Christmas. I love fall, but this is just what I'm going to do for fall. And then start my Christmas packs, which are going to be amazing, guys. I'm so excited. All right. Bye.